Good afternoon. Today is another day, another vlog. And today we are home. So pumunta nga pala kami mga palangga doon sa palengke. And then I just bought some fish. Ayan, yung fish. Punta tayo kanina sa palengke, no. Tapos sa alis na naman kami mga palangga. Tapos bumili ako ng, we call this caraballas na para siyang matambaka. And then we have also tahong. Kanina nagbenta kasi si kuya ng tahong, ayan. Pero gagawa tayo nito mga bukas na. We're gonna cook this one, our mussels. And it's really cheap. It's very cheap. Kasi ito lang, nabili ko siya mga 40. Ayan. Since ako lang naman ang kakain, kasi hindi masyadong kakain si Habi ng sabaw. Hindi siya kasi mahilig ang asawa ko sa sabaw. So, anyway, nagluto nga pala ako ng bangus. Gusto ko kasi yung bangus. Late na pala tayo mga palangga nakapag-vlog. At saka, late na din ako kumain ng today, ng lunch. It's almost gonna be 3 p.m. Ba't may langaw? And of course, mga palangga, bumili kami ng madaming tomatoes. Look at all the tomatoes. It's so fresh. Ayan, sobrang fresh niya. So, we just bought in the palengke kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, bumili kami ng fish. Meron din akong mussels, tsaka yung lots of tomatoes kasi nga, gagawa kami ni Habi ng fresh salsa. And of course, we still have remaining what do you call this one? Kamote. And I don't wanna be bad, the kamote, mga palangga. And then, lulutuin natin yung yung ating kamote. Eh, sayang naman siya pag hindi siya maluto. Loko, nag-start na siya mag-grow, oh. So, kailangan na lutuin na natin to bago siya masira. Yan na. Katapos lang natin magluto ng ng bangus. I love bangus. So, kasi kakain tayo ng today, lunch. So, ito lang yung lunch ko. Si Habi kumain na siya. And then, yung asawa ko kumain na, pero hindi siya kumain ng ngayon. Hindi siya kumain ng heavy meal today kasi yung kinain niya lang is yung yogurt. And of course, I didn't even post lots of videos because I'm just only uploaded mga few videos, like mga short lang yun. And hopefully you are going to watch all our vlog anyway. Gonna check natin if we have rice. You know what? We are Filipinos. We love rice. And we eat rice. I don't know if my rice is still okay. This one. But I'm gonna make some champurrado on it because I don't wanna waste our rice. So anyway, kunin ko lang to. Ayan. Wala akong masyadong vlog kasi napaka-stress natin mga palagwa. Kung alam nyo lang talaga, sobrang stress ko. Sobrang stress ko talaga. Hindi ako nag-upload dito ng vlog pag umiyak ako mga palangga. Tapos panay comfort naman yung aking asawa kasi sobrang stress nga ng palangga ninyo, no? So, dito tayo ngayon sa kitchen kasi hugasan natin tong mussels. And then, so I have a Tupperware here. Hugasan natin yung isda natin. Kasi kung binili ng isda. Tapos, sobrang fresco ng isda na nabili natin. Very fresh. So, this is the fish. Ooh, look at the fish. It's so fresh. Very fresh ko. Kunin natin yung kanyang hasang. So, ito kunin lang natin ito. Ayan. Gasan natin ito. At ilagay sa ref para hindi siya masira. Tapos, iinitin ko lang yung gulay natin na niluto ko. kagabi, meron pa kasi tayong gulay. Tapos sayang naman pag hindi natin kainin yung gulay. Then, katapos ko din dito, aalis na naman kami ni Hadi. Naluto na kasi yung ating bangus. Nagpalinis kami ng aircon kanina dahil nga ay kasi yung aircon namin kailangan na siyang linisin dahil yung aircon diba tumutulo na kasi siya mga palangga. Ayan na. So, ready na yung ating fish. Ilagay na natin sa ref para hindi masira. Meron tayong mga sauce. So, gasan natin ito. Pero, this is really good for sabaw. Ang dami siya. Ang dami niya. Holy, mag-crush ako. So, kain tayo mga palangga. Meron tayong bangus. Sausawan. Yan, sausawan. Rice. Kain na tayo kasi alis kami. Kamay tayo, malinis ng kamay ko.
Moments later.
Grocery time! Grocery na naman kami mga palangga. Dahil wala na tayong yung we get grocery a little bit lang yung usually food ni Happy. Today is we are here now at SNR. Pumili lang kami ng mga palangga. We got grocery. We just have some gifts. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. I don't see
You just
any.
only say that one. So today, mga palangga, we just get some lots of strawberries and berries. Tapos we got burger and muffins. So, we are looking. They don't have oil. You have a half of
I
oil.
haven't got the oil yet.
Yes.
We will.
Yeah. So this is soft drinks in this area.
All right, how you doing? Good.
So we are going to be where they have a what do you call this one? This area they have seasoning. So we still have garlic. Then yeah. Broth. We're still looking for the oil. Oh, here's the oil here on the side. They arrange again. They disarrange again. They move it again. This side is the last time they have the oil. And then now they have here, they move the oil. So we are going to buy siguro the oil right now. Extra virgin oil. Extra virgin oil. Ano? Yung new members ba?
When you get it.
Yeah, different kinds of oil here. See?
Italian.
Yeah, that's the oil we use.
So what's that?
They are the same with this.
I don't think this is. Can you read what that says? Yeah.
That's a good stuff. That's good. Oh, that's
It's
cold
not
press.
glass, but-
We used to. Yeah, it's not in the glass. It's just in the plastic. But at least this is, I think, 1.5, I think.
Fresh.
Yeah.
I just
Tapos,
can't believe that.
we still have that 2 jar and we're gonna use that first, okay? So, andito kami ngayon. Ano to? Big beans. We have a lot of beans at home.
Eat
Ayos
ketchup?
kasi.
I don't use it.
Yeah, not really. We have jar of this one, honey. We have like this. We have
Hey, is this grape component?
ketchup at home. Oh yeah. Is that you're looking for, or this one, the mustard you're looking for? So this, okay. We need this gray Papon de June. Yan si Habi. Yan ang aking asawa. Ano pa? What you want?
I want dill relish.
What about this one? No?
Can't give it to you.
No, not. Okay, we don't need that one. Okay, what else you want?
I want dill relish, but there's none.
You're not gonna use this sauce anymore? You don't wanna
No, I
use
can't use it right now.
Okay. Honey mustard dressing.
Yeah, but I can't use it.
No, we're gonna make our own? Okay. We used to make our own kasi mga palangga. We're gonna make our own sauce for dressing. Dressing for our salad. So, today, I think I need this one. Oh, we still have here in the refrigerator the barbecue sauce. This is really good also to make some buffalo. Buffalo. Han, can I buy this one, Han? I want to buy this one, nachos. Mag-make tayo ng nachos. Tapos, gano'n lang sa akin ito. I will buy this one, honey. Gonna make nachos. My
Okay.
own nachos. Since I have a
Here
ground.
we got black olives.
Dito tayo ngayon. Marami pa kaming ano. They have different kinds of mushroom. Pero whole lang yung mushroom niya. Ayan, oh. Wala sila yung slice, mga palangga. Actually, ngayon lang kami nag-grocery ni Hubby kasi sobrang ulan talaga. Bumagyo na. Every day is rainy day. So, but thank you Lord pa rin dahil lumabas na si Haring Araw. Ayan. You sure?
Yeah.
Yan, maghanap kami ng dog food ngayon dahil nga,
None.
None? Biscuit. Hanap kami ng biscuit ngayon. Wala pang,
Maybe never again.
no stock. Ilang, they don't have stock ngayon mga palangga. Look at, oh, meron silang cat. May cat food sila dito.
We need soap.
Yeah, because we only have half left. So, wala silang ano ngayon, yung biscuit at yung magawa. Bibili tayo ng Tide. Ay, ito. Ba't ano? Sobrang liit na lang ng Tide nila. Oh. Ito, bibili natin siya. Oh, sorry. Sobrang bigat. We're gonna put it here na lang. At
Okay.
pali namin binibili ni Habi. Mabango din ito. Ayan. Sobrang bango, oh. April fresh. Wala talaga silang ano ngayon. Wala silang biscuit. Uy, nag-disarrange na naman sila dito ngayon mga palangga. Ibang arrangement na naman. Uy, nakalimutan ko pala mga palangga. Kailangan natin ng wala lagi. Pang ano ba? Pang ano? Para sa mga balahibo. Marami kasing balahibo sa ating mga damit. Pero, gusto ko yung isa. Magkano kaya ito? Sandali. Kailangan natin ng Scotch Brite. ba yun? Kasi kailangan ko yun sa mga damit namin mga palangga. Kasi ang dami-daming balahibo. Ano, yung para na kaming nakatira sa sa zoo. sa dami naming balahibo. Sawa na itong binili niya. What are you buying?
Paper towel.
Your paper towel.
We're out.
Yeah. So ayan, di mo na kami siguro magbili dito sa sa SNR ng ano pa yun, honey? We did not buy the scratch bar and everything. We had to buy more there at the SM.
You get this up, yeah.
Punta kami daw ng SM kasi
na.
meron mga hindi namin nabili dito. Yeah, we still.
The rice I'm looking for.
Punta na kami doon sa cold, sa may fruits and vegetables. Kasi magbili tayo. Are we gonna buy here a bell pepper or what?
If they have.
Or-
Because they may not have it at SM.
We don't think so. We're gonna buy egg there at lang, honey. 280 yung nila, yung egg. Punta tayo sa palengke, makabili tayo ng egg ng 1 tray siguro, mga 200 plus. 215 to 30 plus, ganun. No? So, ayan.
Oh, wait.
Ha?
They're putting it in there now.
Buns. Hindi ko lang kumilig sa buns. Ano lang, paminsan-minsan lang. Minsan lang yung ko. Ano kami ng ngayon ng... Okay, punta kami ng vegetables and fruits na ngayon. Oy! Yung steak nila, Wow, very fresh their right now, their beef. Wow, sobrang laki naman ito. Uy, to beef knuckles. Here, honey, you got beef here, hon. You supposed to buy this one, babe? Very fresh yung nila, yung burger. Tapos meron silang mga palangga. Aking asawa, very busy. What kind of is that?
Ribeye.
Ribeye.
Gotta have
Okay.
it for my diet.
Yeah. Dami nilang nito. Diba? Ribeye steak. Really, really good. Tapos you want to buy madami tong pang business to. Tapos daw si Habi ngayon? Namili siya ng paa. Ah? Your paa? Your paa?
Here's paa.
Okay. What about we still have a little bit wings at home left. But I think you have to choose sobrang laki pa naman ng paa, Good yan pang pang fried chicken. Yan. Dami nila, I love also to buy this one, like this. Yeah.
I got paa.
Yes, you. Dami nila pa. Is it good? Okay? You like the Sev. Anong to isa? Paa din. Ay, kanang chicken wings. Dito tayo na area, parang ito yung marinated na yung chicken.
It's marinated.
Yeah, that's a marinated. We can marinate our own, honey. Chicken inasal, Wow, I can make my own chicken inasal. Oh, right. Later na lang. Honey, we need this? Onion. Wow, napaka-fresh ng onion nila, Very fresh ng onion nila. Hindi tayo ng onion. Kasi naubusan na kami ng onion sa bahay. Check ko yung onion natin sa bahay. Ano na lang siya, isa na lang yung naiwan niya. Diba? Ang dami na niya mga palangga. Pero maliit lang siya mga palangga. Sobrang pula nito, Ito yung parang hindi mapula. Pero bibili pa rin tayo. Pero kahit small siya, bibili pa rin tayo ng malalaking onion. Kasi si Habi gusto yung malaking onion. Sa akin gusto ko, ganito lang gusto ko. Maliliit lang siya mga palangga.
Look at the size of that bag of onions in the fridge.
He's gonna show me daw mga palangga. Ano ba to? Gonna show me daw the onion. Uy!
For sure, yeah.
Wow! Ang dami niyan ah.
Put your
But I want the small also.
These are okay, but these
Yeah,
are
if you want to
perfect.
buy that one, you can. Kung gusto niya daw malalaki, gusto ko pa naman ito. Pero ibalik na lang natin to. Pero ito gusto ko to. I like that. So, ano lang natin to siya, ibalik. Gusto niya man pala yung marami. Kasi ayaw kasi ng aking asawa ng ayaw nila ng ano, baka babili, ano ka na, punta agad, ay magpunta ng palengke, palagi pumupunta sa palengke. Gusto niya yung ano, yung isahan ng mga palangga. Alam niyo naman, basahan mo mga kano, mga palangga. Alam niyo naman, marami, gusto nila yung parang isahan na siya ba na grocery. Uy, ang dami nga pala nilang ano, oh, peppers. Ating nakapili na si Abby ng peppers, mga palangga. Hindi mo na ako bibili ng ano, ng cilantro. They have fresh, oh. 251 lang naman yung ano nila, asparagus. Sus, ito lang man talaga, oh. Ang mahal, tapos ano, maliit lang siya. Ah, hindi na dahil kailangan ng chili kasi marami tayong chili sa bahay. Nagtanim tayo, oy. Iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako ng asawa ko. Bumalik kami doon sa frozen. Dahil kasi ano daw, bibili daw siya ng asparagus, yung asparagus na nasa ano ba, nasa carton, madami. Yun lang kasi parang maliit lang yun. Ito yung gusto ng aking asawa, oh, ayan oh. Ayan yung gusto niya. Ayan, asparagus, ang dami oh. Ayan.
These
Oh.
are good.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Oh, ayan. And oh. Look at here.
Hey, there's a cow. What's that?
Huh?
What is that?
I don't know. Yan ang yung grocery mga palangga.
This is what?
Buy some fresh
You want this
beef.
tapa?
No. I don't like the tapa. I can make my own. What? Where? No.
For breakfast is chicken.
But it's
Get that
fine.
SM.
Yeah.
Porterhouse, but they're frozen.
Yeah. I love to come here. Ito yung mga electric fan nila, mga palangga, oh. Ayan. Yan. I love this tent, oh.
What's that?
You have here, oh. Vacuum.
I thought it was
I love
a
lagi this one,
I
hon.
thought it was a dehydrator.
Daming mga ref, oh. Magpunta tayo doon, oh, kasi I'm gonna check their, ano, I like their
Whirlpool what? Oh,
microwave.
that's a good brand.
Yeah, Whirlpool is good. Meron din silang, ano, washing machine. Ayan. Ooh, they just stand mixer. Meron tayong stand mixer, pero di na gumagana. Siguro na mali lang yung ano. Look at their, anuhan, oh, their blender. I like that because there's a cover on it. Look at, oh. Yung ano nila ba, yung blender. Yan. Maganda siya. Yun, hi. Ito pala yung gusto ko, darling. Oh. Here, oh, we need this one, the bowl. Kasi yung mga lid natin, nasira na. Yung mga lid namin na to, ba, ganito, nasira na siya. Yes. Tapos, gusto ko to siya mga palangga dahil glass. Liga glass. Wait na for a while. Let me check this, ano. Let me put this. Gusto ko din ito. Ayan na tayo magbili. Ha? Ano yan? Oh, one of my favorite. Gonna make my own waffle. Tapos because you're always gonna buy some Belgian waffle and you know what? I can make my own. Pero 1.5. Okay lang naman yung ano nila, yung waffle maker. Meron silang waffle maker, mga palangga. Gusto ko to siya kasi ano, magawa tayo ng own natin na waffle since maano tayo sa mga palangga. Palagi tayo nag-make ng dessert bread. Diba? Gusto ko din ito, oh. And this is a really good bowl because it's glass. Look at this, oh. Gusto ko pero wala siyang takip. Maganda po. Meron na kami dito. Measuring cup.
Look at this.
Where?
Logo. Buy one, take one.
Where? Oh, ito? Buy one, take one? Wala, maganda to, but...
That's cheap. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Can we...
1,200.
No. Meron siyang handle, oh. Maganda to. Napakaganda. Can you look at her inside if we can?
I don't think they'll
Tingnan niya
let
daw
you.
ang aking Huh? Let's see first inside, okay?
It's cheap though. I can
Here,
make
oh.
my omelet.
Here, honey. Oh, please open. There's already there.
No, it's got tape.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let me look at the other one.
Oopsie. What did you do?
Oh, this
Tingnan
one.
natin to. Hoy,
No, they didn't do a good job.
they tried to open that
You have
one.
to ask somebody.
Yeah. Just nobody. Excuse me. Open na natin to, guys. Kasi gusto namin makita yung loob nito. I want to open this one. Huh? Are we gonna bring this one? Kasi naka-buy one take one na siya mga
Good
palangga.
price, 1, 2.
Okay.
Oh, there's only one inside.
Oh,
You buy one, you take.
yeah. Cut oh. Yung mga nila mga porterhouse steak knife. Like it. Sobrang ganda. Ito din gusto ko to, pang mixing bowl. Oh, very thick. Buy one take one din yung mga bowl nila. Buy one take one for 99. Dalawa na siya niya. Na siya mga palangga. Very baga. Baga kaayo siya. Oh. Then ito buy one take one din ito oh. Yung butter bowl. Wow. I like it. Gusto ko talaga yung glass kasi it's better to use glass rather than the plastic. Tapos yung ito, bibili sana kami ni hubby nito. Pero, buy one, take one, 399. Dalawa na. Ooh, ang dami namang sale dito. Kasi yung mga lid, mga palangga, nasira na kasi. Madali kasi siyang masira ito. Oh, yung lid. Uy, gustong-gusto ko to. Pang salad, pang baon. Ito, glass. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin. Kasi pwede natin maglagay ng mga yung store jars ba, like oatmeal. Ayan. Yan can you see that? My oatmeal, cherries, walnuts, yung mga nuts niya. Buy one, take one. Dami naman buy one, take one dito eh. Ito din, magamit din ito o buy one, dalawa na siya, 599. Cereal. Kailang naman siya mga palangga. Okay, punta na tayo doon kay hubby. Kasi, i-open daw nila yung yung pan.
Balik na daw, di.
Yung, yeah, yung frying pan. What? You don't like it? Dito na kami sa counter ngayon mga palangga.
Did you bring the bag?
No. We can bring this one. It's fine. Okay, buy one, take one.
Yes, please.
Punta na tayo doon sa sa sasakyan. Ulit ngayon. Thank you, Lord. Maganda na yung ano natin ngayon, yung weather. Very nice. Sobrang ganda ng ano. Weather for today. Ang aking asawa nandoon. Ha! Yeah! Mainit. Mainit. Okay, loaded na tayo. It's time to unload. Alright, I gotta get my bag and then we're
Get the
gonna load.
bag.
Yeah. So, we can take the
Here.
truck straight with it.